Today we're checking out the Range Active Dynamic Fuel Management Disabler in blue for the 2007 to 20 Tahoes. If you're tired of the truck constantly dropping cylinders and you just want it to feel smoother and more consistent every time you drive, this is the kind of upgrade that's gonna make a lot of sense. This is a really simple plug-and-play solution for somebody who wants full-time, full power without having to dive into any tuning or complicating the project, so it's definitely worth considering. This module is built to eliminate AFM and DFM operation, active fuel management, and dynamic fuel management, which is the whole reason that somebody would want a product like this in the first place. Instead of the engine constantly switching modes and dropping those cylinders, it keeps the vehicle in full power 100% of the time, which helps the Tahoe feel smoother, more predictable, and more responsive when you get into that throttle. That's a huge plus for daily driving, towing, highway use, or just anybody that doesn't want that weird feeling that can come with cylinder deactivation. It also disables auto start stop, which adds even more day-to-day drivability value for someone who wants the truck to behave more consistently. Another great feature is that it simply just plugs right into the onboard OBD-II port under the dash, and it starts working right away without having to program anything. And if you ever want to go back to stock, you just unplug it and it's gonna leave no trace and go straight back to those stock settings. This is also made in the USA, which is a nice bonus on a quality product from a trusted brand. When it comes to the construction on this, you are getting a compact plug-in electronic module finished with a nice blue and silver coat built to connect directly through that OBD-II port. The very simple design is a big part of the appeal because it's compact enough that you're not even going to notice it when it's plugged in under the dash. It keeps that install very easy, it avoids any reprogramming of the ECU, and it gives you a cleaner solution than trying to chase the same result through more complicated tuning projects. As far as the pricing goes on this, it's coming in right in the upper $200 price range. That's a very fair price for a plug-and-play module like this because you're getting smoother, full power operation, better throttle response, auto start stop delete, and the ability to go right back to stock just by unplugging it. It's a great fit for somebody who wants a noticeable drivability change without a full tuning setup. When it comes to the install on this one, it's gonna get rated just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. You can have this job done in 30 minutes or a lot less of your time if everything goes smooth. Now let's see exactly how this install process goes with a quick video from one of our American Trucks customers.
So we're doing an install today on the Range AFM DFM disabler module. This one in particular is for 2015 to 2020 Chevy Tahoe. But what this does is it deactivates the AFM, which is the active fuel management, where it'll swap from V8 to 4 cylinders when it's not under load or under duress. The install on this is pretty self-explanatory. It's just a plug-and-play unit, and it just plugs in up underneath here on your OBD-II port. Plug it in, and that's it. That concludes the install. The only one thing I will add is I believe that they suggest that if you're going to leave your vehicle parked for several days that you should unplug it, as it can cause a battery drop. Aside from that, that's as easy as it gets.
That's gonna wrap up our review and install of the Range Active Dynamic Fuel Management Disabler in blue for the 2007 to 20 Tahoes. And for all things Tahoe, keep it right here at American Trucks.